For inverse trigonometric function, i-discuss ko naman the derivatives nito. Also, inverse trigonometric function, also known as arc function. Ito yung mga this function includes arcsine, and arccos, arctan, arccot, and arcsec. And last one is arccsc. Yung mga functions na to, sila nagbibigay ng angles as output, and their derivatives are extremely important in integration, sa geometry, sa physics, and solving implicit problems. Ito yung mga derivatives formula that must be recognized. For this formula, na kailangan natin i-memorize, d over dx arcsine x equals to 1 over square root 1 minus x squared, and d over dx arccos x equals to negative 1 over square root 1 minus x squared, and d over dx arctan x equals to 1 over 1 plus x squared, d over dx arcsec x equals to 1 over absolute value of x square root x squared minus 1, and last is d over dx arc cosec x equals to negative 1 over absolute value of x square root x squared minus 1. When the argument is a function, instead of plain x, we apply the chain rule. So, example natin is y is equals to arcsine sine over 3x. Yung derivatives nyo naman is y prime is equals to 3 square root 1 x 9x squared. Yan. For arcsine. For another example naman is y is equals to arctan x squared. Chain rule pa din siya. Ang nangyayari is y prime is equals to 2x 1 plus x the power 4th power, ganun. These inverse trigonometric functions appear frequently in physics, angles and force engineering, and advanced calculus problems involving integration and techniques. Magbibigay rin ako ng problem 1 is y is equals to arcsine 2x, y prime is equals to 2 over square root 1 minus 4x squared. And problem 2 is y is equals to arctan 5x, y prime is equals to 5 1 plus 25 x squared.